welcome back to our channel. If you're running a Shopify dropshipping store and looking to boost your sales, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into Google Shopping ads and how they can supercharge your dropshipping business. So let's get started. First, let's understand what Google Shopping ads are. Google Shopping ads are product-based ads that appear in Google search results and Google Shopping. These ads showcase your products with images, price, and store names, making them highly attractive to the potential buyers. So, how do you set up Google Shopping ads for your Shopify dropshipping store? It might seem a bit technical, but I'll break it down into simple steps for you. The first step is to create a Google Merchant Center account. This is where you'll upload your product data so Google can display your products in the shopping ads. Go to merchants.google.com and sign up for an account. Next, you need to link your Shopify store to your Google Merchant Center account. In your Shopify admin panel, go to the Google section under the Sales Channel tab. Follow the prompts to connect your Merchant Center account. Step 3. Set up product feed. Once linked, you need to set up your product feed. Shopify simplifies this by automatically syncing your products to Google Merchant Center. Make sure your product details are accurate and optimized with high quality images and detailed descriptions. Show the product feed settings and highlight important areas like product titles, descriptions, and images. Step 4. Configure Google Ads account. Now, create a Google Ads account if you don't already have one. Link this account to your Google Merchant Center. This connection allows your product data to be used for creating shopping ads. Step 5. Create shopping campaign. With everything linked, it's time to create your shopping campaign. In your Google Ads account, navigate to Campaigns and click on the plus sign to create a new campaign. Select Sales as your goal and Shopping as your campaign type. Show the process of setting campaign goals and types. Step 6. Optimize your campaign. To maximize the effectiveness of your campaign, focus on optimization. Set a reasonable daily budget. Use relevant keywords and regularly monitor your campaign performance. Adjust bids and exclude non-performing products to improve your ROI. Step 7. Monitor and adjust. Finally, continually monitor your campaign's performance. Google Ads provides detailed analytics on clicks, impressions, and conversions. Use this data to make informed decisions and keep optimizing your campaigns for better results. And that's it. Setting up Google Shopping ads for your Shopify dropshipping store can be a game changer. By following these steps and continually optimizing your campaigns, you'll drive more traffic and increase your sales. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for your e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping!